Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 22. Zakaria alayhis salam. Name: Zakaria alayhis salam. Lineage: full name: Zakaria ibn Barak, from the descendants of Prophet Sulaiman alayhis salam, of noble priestly lineage from Banu Israel. Mentioned in the Quran, Surah Maryam, Al-Imran, Al-Anbiya. Birth and background: lived in Jerusalem, Beit al-Maqdis. Served as a priest in the sacred temple, Masjid al-Aqsa. Known for his righteousness and devotion from a young age. Role and mission: spiritual leader of Banu Israel. Called people to worship Allah sincerely and maintain the law of Musa alayhis salam. Entrusted with guardianship of Maryam alayhis salam, mother of Isa alayhis salam. Wife and family: his wife is not named in Quran but known to be righteous and supportive. His son, Prophet Yahya alayhis salam, also chosen by Allah and mentioned with honor. Raised Maryam alayhis salam under his care with purity and faith. Longing for a righteous heir: in old age, Zakaria alayhis salam prayed for a righteous child to carry on the message. His wife was barren and both were advanced in age. Yet he supplicated humbly, asking Allah for a pious offspring. The accepted supplication: My Lord, grant me from yourself a good offspring. Indeed, you are the hearer of supplication. His dua was answered and he was given glad tidings of a son, Yahya. He was told of this while he stood in prayer. Signs and miracles: asked for a sign and was told, you will not speak to the people for 3 nights, being sound. Spent the time in remembrance and gratitude. Death: he was martyred by corrupt rulers of Banu Israel who rejected truth. Not much detail exists in Quran about his death, but widely accepted as martyrdom. Legacy: remembered for his sincere faith, patience, and answered prayers. Mentioned in the Quran: Surah Al-Imran, Surah Maryam, Surah Al-Anbiya. Key qualities: pure-hearted and humble, persistent in dua, righteous, devout, and patient, guardian of Maryam alayhis salam. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.